Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the timer on Snapchat. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. First, open up the Snapchat app on your phone. And once you are on Snapchat, tap on this icon at the right side of the screen. In these options, you will see an option that says timer. Just tap on it. And if you will tap on it, you will see a 3-second timer. I will show you how to turn off the timer. Okay, so now tap on the timer option and then simply tap on cancel. And now the timer is turned off and you can take snaps as you normally do. And that's it. Now you know how to turn off the timer on Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.